Hello everyone, hope you guys are doing great. I am your budget trip planner with a new destination. Today we will share our experience and tips and tricks of our recent visit to Blue Mountain Village, Ontario, Canada. We have visited right before the Christmas. We had an amazing time. Let's go there. Let's first discuss where this beautiful village is located and how we can reach there. Well, it is situated right beside southern part of Georgian Bay and around 121 km away from Toronto Airport. So if you are traveling from another province, then Toronto Airport would be the closest one for you. From the airport, the best and the cheapest way to reach over there would be through driving. We drove from Mississauga and it took around 1 hour 50 minutes for us. Once you reach there, park the car in front of the village. It's free of cost. There are plenty of things to explore in Blue Mountain. It offers different activities throughout the year. In any season you can go. It won't upset you. Although it is well known for its winter skiing, but if you want to skip the snow activities, still you can explore the wonderful village in free of cost. Lots of stores for shopping and dining. Obviously you don't want to miss Rocky Mountain chocolate, we just loved it. Also the Braver Trail. In early December snowfall didn't start it, so winter activities were yet to start. We reached there by 2 p.m. and explored the little village till 4 p.m. Meanwhile, if you feel cold, go to Mill Pond Garden and warm you up. During evening, this garden gets crowded and people wait in line. So secure your seat beside the fire little early. While exploring the Blue Mountain Village, I would recommend you to visit Scenic Cave. It is just 6 minutes drive from the village located on the other side of the hill. It has entry fee of $15 and offers multiple hiking trails to explore. Among that, Suspension Bridge is the famous one. I would suggest to explore the Suspension Bridge during fall to get the colorful view from the top. We went there, but most of the trails were going through under maintenance, so explored only one trail. Then we returned back to the village before it's dark to enjoy the mesmerizing Christmas light. I'm sure you don't want to miss this. The Christmas lights out there were so beautiful, felt like we were living in a dream. Also didn't want it to leave the village. If you are planning to stay, I would recommend you to check Blue Mountain Inn by Blue Mountain Resort. The price is relatively cheap, which I have explored. I'll add the booking link in description. After spending that amazing evening, we went for a dinner in Irish pub. It was located inside the village and the food was really good. Then we drove back to Mississauga at around 8:30 p.m. We have spent an awesome day in Blue Mountain Village. Hope you also enjoyed your visit or these tips will help you to explore the place in a better way. Let me know in comment section your experience or if you have any questions. If you like this video, show your love and stay connected for the next destination. See you soon.